welcome to my channel. You're watching How to Series and this is 5th video. Today we are going to see how to use an oil diffuser. So my friend Vivo gifted me this aroma oil diffuser yesterday. So this is basically a scent. You can use it in washroom or room, living room, dining or anywhere. You can even carry it with you when you travel. Let's get started. Before we start, do subscribe if you are watching my channel for first time. Make sure to check out other videos of How to Series. It's in How to playlist. So let's begin. So this is aroma oil diffuser. So this is how it looks. It comes with 4 flavors. Any flavor, you can choose any flavor when you buy it. So I have peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon and tea tree. So there is a USB cable. So this is how the diffuser looks. It looks like a helmet. So there is an instruction about how to use it. So you can just walk through that. And there is a diffuser pad. I'll show you how to use it later. So there are 2 basically. So you can open the top. There is a push button here. So when you open it, this can also be operated by 2 batteries. I think it's 2 AA battery. So you can either use it with battery or there is an adapter port which comes with a USB. You can use it with USB. You can plug it into your laptop or you can use wall charger. You can use it anyhow. I'm closing the battery portion. And there is another push button. That's where we are going to fill the oil. When you open it, so this is the fan that's going to diffuse oil through the front opening, and then there is a button here. Let's find out what is it later. And this is the bottom portion of this oil diffuser. So this is a removable, whatever it is, so this can be removed. And here is the pad. This is basically like a thick paper, like a cloth material. So you need to just fill the oil here, any quantity, basically like 4 to 5 drops. You can just pour some oil here and then close it with the lid and close it, plug it or use battery, and it will start working. Let's find out how to use it. So let's pick some flavor. I'm going to pick lemon. I'm sure it's not everyone's favorite. So I'm going to open it and pour a few drops here. So this basically comes in a small bottle container. The lid is already open. You don't have to punch it, it's already open. So I'm going to pour a few drops here. I didn't pour much, I'm just using a little. So let me close it. In the meanwhile, do let me know what's your favorite flavor. I have closed it. I'm not going to use battery now. I'm going to use a USB adapter. It's not too lengthy, but pretty enough. Now let's push this button. So the fan sound is not disturbing. It's actually minute. So this is how it looks when you take a closer look. These are the flavors I have: peppermint, eucalyptus, lemon, and so this is how the box looks in case if you're planning to buy something like this. So this is how you make it work. Either use battery or use USB adapter. Pour the oil and just enjoy the aroma.